everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare this acne removal face mask. This face mask is made up of all natural ingredients and is highly effective in removing all kinds of pimples, acne, as well as it helps in scar removal, like if you have acne or pimple scar on your face or you have some kind of dark spots on your skin, then it also helps in removing that. So it's a very good face mask to detoxify your skin and to make your skin really clear, spotless and radiant. So now let me tell you what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this face mask. So the first ingredient which we need to prepare this face mask is neem powder, and I'll link all the product links in the description box below so you can check everything out from there. Now next up we are going to need honey. Now next up we are going to need papaya paste, and to make the papaya paste you just need to simply grind the papaya or blend the papaya just to make a smooth paste out of it. Then we are going to need tea tree essential oil, and the last ingredient which we need is curd. So now let's prepare this face mask, and to prepare this face mask we'll firstly take 2.5 teaspoons of neem powder in a clean bowl. After that we'll add 2 teaspoons of honey into it. After that we'll add 2 to 3 teaspoons of this papaya pulp in it. Now after adding the papaya pulp, just give a good mix to all of these 3 ingredients. Now after just giving a slight mix to all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the next ingredient, which is the curd. And you have to add enough curd in this paste to make a smooth paste, and this paste should be really smooth and lump free. So just add enough curd to make a nice and smooth paste. And after adding the curd or the yogurt, now just mix all these ingredients really nicely to make a smooth and a lump free paste. Once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the tea tree essential oil. And this oil is really beneficial for the acne and pimples. It helps in treating the pimple and the acne problem really fast. So we'll add 4 to 5 drops of this oil into it. And after adding this oil, just slightly mix all this up so that the oil just combine with this paste really well. And after mixing all these ingredients, your homemade acne and pimple removal face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This face mask should be really smooth and lump free, and it should be of medium consistency, which is neither so thick and nor so runny. So this face mask have all these ingredients which are really good for the acne and the pimple removal. All these ingredients works best in scar and acne removal. This face mask will just deeply detoxify your skin and will make your skin really bright, clear and spotless. So now let me tell you how to use this face mask for best results. So you just need to apply this face mask all over your face and neck, and you can apply this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. And after applying a thick and an even layer of this face mask all over your skin, you just need to leave it to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, you just need to wash it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.